Tamatu, tamaora, tamanoho, tamamati. He who stands lives, he who sits perishes. I like this whakataukī because it encourages activity. Finding something you love that involves movement not only helps fight off disease and sickness, but also results in positive self-image. So just get out there and find something you love, whether it's gardening, dancing, working out, walking the dog, just get out there and do it.
Mauri mahi, mauri ora. Do the mahi get the treats. If you work hard enough, then you get what you deserve.
Kia ora, my whakataukī is hei aha te mea nui o te ao. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata, which means what is the most important thing in the world? It is the people, the people, the people. To me this is important because it acknowledges those that have come before us, those that are here now, and those that are yet to come. Kia ora.
E hara taku tō I te tuataki tahi, engari, e tuataki tini. Success is not the work of an individual, but the work of many. So what that means to me is working in collaboration, working as a team, and getting each other done.
He manawa titi, the heart of the mutton birds. If you've ever seen a mutton bird, it's quite a dainty looking bird to look at, quite a pretty bird, but it has a big heart, if that makes sense. So quite a strong bird with endurance. When I think about how small that manu is, but how strong they are also, although they get eaten in the end, but the endurance that they have to survive as long as they can is quite amazing. And how that relates to me, for me personally, has been full of pretty heart-wrenching challenges, but eventually getting to know who I am and actually believing in who I am and my values created such a strength for me to seek self-empowerment and self-enhancement to get to where I am today. And that's where I see how my endurance kept me going and helped me move forward without giving up.